If you're looking to get into robotics with the Raspberry Pi, the first thing you need to master is motor control. Today I'll show you how to interface the Raspberry Pi 4 with an L298N dual H-bridge motor driver to control two DT motors using Python. We'll even add push buttons for manual forward and reverse control. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the logic pins on the L298N. We're using BTM pin numbering for our Raspberry Pi. ENA, In1 and In2 control motor A. We've connected ENA to GPIO 18. This is a hardware PWM pin which allows for smooth ski control. IN1 goes to GPIO 27 and IN2 to GPIO 22 for direction. For motor B, we use IN3 on GPIO 23, IN4 on GPIO 24, with the speed controller EMB on GPIO 13. Power is critical. The L298N has a 3-pin power block. 12-volt terminal, connect to external battery pack here, usually between 11-volt and 12-volt. 5-volt terminal, on most L298N modules, if the 12-volt jumper is in place, this pin acts as an output. You can use it to power the Raspberry Pi, or if you're powering the Pi separately, leave this disconnected. Ground terminal. This is vital. You must connect the ground of your battery pack to a ground pin on the Raspberry Pi. Without a common ground, the logic signals won't work. For manual control, we have two buttons, connected to GPIO 17 and GPIO 4. We're using the Pi's internal pull-up resistors, so the buttons should connect the pin to ground when pressed. Finally, connect your left motor to the Out1 and Out2 terminals, and your right motor to Out3 and Out4. If your motor spins the wrong way later, just flip these wires. When I press the forward button, IN1 and IN3 go high. And the PWM sets our speed to 80%. Release the buttons, and the stop motors function pulls all pins low to hold the robot. You can find this code and the full wiring diagram in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. And subscribe for more Raspberry Pi robotics tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy building!